Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, An Art of Smart Thinking. So today I'm going to teach you HTML, how to create HTML. I have heard that many students have the problem and they do not have laptop at home. At that time, how can you practice HTML? So I have found a video where I have found an app where you can practice HTML in your phone. So let's see that how can you. So for that you have to go to Play Store. You have to install one app that is MWriter. See, MWriter free HTML editor. So you have to write the full name. Here you can see that it's coming MWriter. One second. MWriter HTML free HTML editor. So I'll click on this and you will find that this is the app. So you have to install it. I have already installed it. So now I'll show you that how can you write the text and how can you form HTML. Okay, so first I'll open the app, that is NWriter free. So it's opening. See, it has opened. First I'll give you some information about this app. This is the menu bar where all your HTML files will be saved. You can also save in your files app by doing this. You can see that I have made many HTML files. I have found it useful, so that's why I'm advising you that you can download this app and use it if you don't have laptops at your home. So first I'll show you one example that how will you get the result and how I have to type in this. Okay, so let's start without wasting any time. Let's start. So first I'll write HTML, then I'll use this button to close it. This button, you will already get this button in laptop. You don't get it, but here you'll already get it. So I'll click on this button, so it will automatically close HTML. Then I'll make body tag. See, you will get the option of body. You have to click on it, so you'll get body. Then again I will use this and close the body tag. I'm already closing the text because so that I don't forget it and forget it. So I'm already closing it. You do also close like this only. Now I'm going to create a form. So for that I'm using form tag. So see, it already got. Then I'll again close this so that I don't forget it. Now I'll write name. Sorry, and next line name. Then I'll put two colons, name, and then I'll write the tag input type is equals to text. Whenever you want to create a form, and for that you have to write your name, so in that input type we write text. If you want you can write name also, no problem, no issue, but I'm writing text. Okay, and then I'll use this to close this tag. So see, okay, then we don't use this to close it because now we have to make ना, ऑलरेडी हमने फॉर्म को क्लोज कर लिया ना, हमें ऐसे ये डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, देन आई राइट password. I'll again put to column. I'm adding this just to make it thoda sa beautiful. Other than if you don't want to use it, you don't use it. You can use this also, whatever you want. You can use this whatever you want. Okay, if you want to write it in bold, you can write it in bold. Okay, so now I'm writing input, then type is equals to password. Now you might think that why I'm writing a password, because if I write text, I'll write your text, then my password will not get hide. And for I'll show you in the result that how it gets hide. Okay, so now I'm closing this password. I will make one more, that is email. So email, and I'll again put this and input type is equals to. Make sure that your spellings are correct. If your spellings are not correct, then the result will not come, the form will not be created. Like if I write here input type is equals to this, then my email, that colon will not come. I'll show you, let it be like this only. I'll not write the correct spelling so that I can show you. So I'm closing this. Now let's see the result. Now how can you see the result? So can you see the pause button here? You have to click on this, and whatever you have written, now you will see the result on the page. So I'm clicking on this and see, just a second, I'll add break here. so that it comes on different line. Break basically we add break so that the line, so that there is a space between each line, they do not mix up what happened with me right now. So now I'm adding break. Now see, it will come on different lines like you can see here, and you can see here. Just a second, huh? Now I have written here EIL. So I can see that here, whenever I'm writing, I can't see any email ID. If I'll write the correct spelling, like if I write here email, the correct spelling, so see, here it will show that, see, your at rate, and this will come like whatever, whichever pass email ID, so it will already come. So better is to write email only, and this is the way you can use this app. It's very useful for everyone. And if you don't have laptops at home, and if you want to practice HTML, so you can practice in this way. And even you can make videos and images in this app. And if you want that I make next video on this, that how can you use it more, how can you use it, and how to write this, all the text, so I will make, but you have to message me on the text. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you find it useful for yourself. Okay, thank you so much for visiting to my channel. Once again, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.